Hello everyone, welcome to RKTV. A moderately shallow magnitude 5.2 earthquake was reported early afternoon North Pacific Ocean 79 km east of Fukushima, Japan. According to Japan National Research Institute for Earth Science and Gestate Religions, the quake hits on Friday 25 March 2022 at 12 p.m. local time at a moderately shallow depth of 10 km. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculation or as other agencies issue their report. Please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.